Hey everyone, it's Ricky here with your Peaceful Investor Weekly Market Wrap for the week ending August 22. In this video, we will go over how the market performed this week, the biggest movers, sector highlights, key headlines, and what's coming up next week. I will also explain how interest rates affect the economy and why market reacted so strongly to Jerome Powell's speech. Let's dive in. It was a mixed but eventful week on Wall Street. The S&P 500 closed at 6,471, up 0.3% for the week. The Nasdaq slipped 0.6% to 21,230, showing some weakness in tech after recent strength. The Dow Jones surged 1.5% to 45,100, hitting a record high. And the Russell 2000, which tracks small cap companies, was the big winner, climbing 3.3% to 2,294. So the story this week, big tech cooled, but small cap and the Dow led the market higher. On the gainer side, Lowe beat earnings with EPS of $4.33 and announced acquisition plans. Zoom jumped about 10% on strong results, and TJX gained on solid retail performance. On the losing side, Walmart EPS of 68 cents missed expectations, pulling the stock down even as they raised guidance. Target reported $2.05 EPS, slightly better than expected, but weak comparable sales and margin pressure sank shares by more than 10%. Sector-wise, the leadership came from small caps, energy, industrial, and select tech, and AI stocks. Defensive staples lagged behind but still closed positive, showing investors were not going full risk off. The biggest market driver was Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole. He struck a dovish tone, hinting that Fed could cut rates as soon as September if data allows. Why does this matter? Lower interest rates reduce borrowing cost for the businesses and consumers. Companies can expand more cheaply, consumers can spend more, and housing and credit market get a boost. Lower rates also make bonds less attractive compared to stocks, which pushes more money into equities. That is why the market rallied so sharply after Powell's comments. It's not just about the speech, it's also the ripple effect of cheaper money across the economy. The next week will be busy. Nvidia reports earnings on August 27, and this could be the biggest catalyst for AI and tech stocks. We will also get more retail earnings from Best Buy, Bath and Body Works, and Urban Outfitters. And on the economic side, the Fed preferred inflation gauze, core PCE, plus personal income and spending data will be released. This will directly shape expectations for the Fed next move. That's your Peaceful Investor Weekly Wrap. I try to post daily market updates and a weekly summary like this. This is still my new channel, so sometimes I can't post every single day, but with your support through likes, comments, and subscriptions, I will be able to bring these updates more consistently. And remember, this content is only for educational purposes only and not a financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed advisor before making investment decision. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.